Hello everyone, hope you are all good and well. I just wanted to start off this video by quickly saying thank you. I can't believe I have just reached over 5,000 subscribers, which is just, it's crazy. And I kind of wanted to do this short video because I'm so behind on video editing and just general car work and everything going on, and I know it's been a while since I've uploaded my last video, so I wanted to do this video just to say thank you for subscribing to the channel. Everyone who's new to the channel, welcome. And yeah, here's basically a brief look into some of the things that I've yet to edit but are going to be coming out in the near future as for uploads. So yeah, here's to 2022, and again, thank you all for joining. I will be honest in saying, let's see if I can do it now. So yo!
He's got engineering skills. Matter of fact,
then we got these vents. Right, let's strip this out and then look into putting everything back together and calling it a job done with this part. So I've been able to get the head unit all set up. And I wasn't lying about the snow. Gotta get the GTR in the garage ASAP. If you haven't joined, then make sure to hit subscribe down below, and also give this video a thumbs up just so the YouTube algorithm can say, hey, this guy's trying to do something good here. But yeah, right everyone, see you all later. Peace out. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you my new car.